sky so wide, riding the breeze where the heavens collide. Through the mist where the sun takes a dive, a journey begins where the wild dreams thrive. Through the clouds we soar so high, touching the heavens, the earth's lullaby. Feel the rush as the winds ignite. The world unfolds in a breathtaking sight. Rolling hills dressed in